Nagasaki Cicadas. The children play where glass once broke like bells. The playground swings and shadows pitch and yell. The wind still hums through hollowed citadels as if it grieved what human hands once saw. The cicadas scream like Geiger counts at noon, but only trees now carry that refrain. No pilots here, no detonating moon, just rust and grass and boys out racing rain. The world absurd persists in making more children, more cicadas, more July. A girl stands still. She points towards the shore and counts the clouds dissolving in the sky.